Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be sharing my strategy, how I qualified pre. As you know, there are three categories of the student. First category students, those who are first attempters, those who are planning to attempt in 2026 or 2027. Second category, the ones who qualify pre every time but unable to qualify means. And third category, who have given 3-4 attempts but not able to qualify pre. So today my focus would be more on the third category of the students, those who have given 3-4 attempts but unable to qualify pre for even once. So what are the main things that you should keep in mind before focusing on pre? First is segregate the subjects, pre and main subjects. Now as we are in July 2025 and we are having pre in May 2026. Thereby, approximately if I take roughly 10 and a half months or 10 months are left. So here we will plan accordingly that once we qualify pre, we qualify mains also, because qualifying pre doesn't give you any justification unless you are not into the final list, which you will get through with mains only. Now, in coming 10 months, first we have to complete a syllabus for the subjects which are only mains oriented, like world history, post independence history, then is society, then is social justice, uh, international relation, more or less they are in pre and mains also, but okay, let's be more precise. We should write in mains also. Then internal security and disaster management, then ethics, plus optional major chunk. We have to plan that within July, August, and September. We have to anyhow complete all these subjects which are only for mains. Optional, we have to complete it in July, August, September, October, November, and in December, we would be taking one second revision, and by Jan and Feb, third revision, and then we would be winding up for some time. Now, when we come to pre, here we have to divide the subjects like major chunk and minor chunk, polity, geography, history, and eco. They are your major chunk. So, um, if we take like rough idea, we have we have to complete polity, geography, economy, and history. One revision at least by November and December. In 3 months, we have to complete only four subjects. And then from January, we will be focusing on environment, science and tech, art and culture, mapping, and current affair. More or less, we have to complete it in Jan and Feb. After that, we will be left with approximately 100 days. In 100 days, we will try to attempt at least 50 to 60 papers, which would be of your like um and which would be like from various institutes. Take any Vajiram region, next has any you want. And here the thing now, as CSAT is becoming tricky, so we have to be CSAT ready in these 5 months only. We have to compare and complete our syllabus in these 5 months at least for once. Now, for these 100 days, what we will be doing is like, when we will be left with 100 days for pre, the focus would be more on test, at least once in a week. But I recommend actually twice a week. You should give paper like GS complete and CSAT paper so that you can adopt the stamina which is required in the examination hall. Then we, in the last month, that is May, at least for 10 to 15 days, we would be giving full length test plus CSAT. It will enhance your confidence and you will be familiar like how many questions you should attempt. uh, are your questions on which you approach for 50-50, are they correct or not? So here it will be your final strategy, like on what note you have to attempt the exam. So this we have to focus in my itself, and definitely if you follow this strategy, I guess in there is a highly less probable chance that if you be honest with yourself that you are unable to qualify pre. So yes, for more updates please do like, subscribe and share my channel.